Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. We're here to talk about polymers and polymer application to help you answer the question, what do you need to know to add polymer know-how to your career? So we're still in the kitchen and we're still considering the refrigerator of PolymerFest. We're going to take a look this time at the interior of the refrigerator. Inside you will find lots of components and parts that are there for storage and organization. The clear parts are usually polystyrene in a low-end refrigerator and can be polycarbonate or even a polyester like PETG in the high end. Most of these parts are injection molded, which we've covered here on Ask the Cook, so you can look quickly and see things like the gate location, ejector location with a quick survey of the parts. In addition to clear parts, there are also opaque parts, those things that are there because they want to hide things, right? They're usually in white for cleanliness and appearance and to help reflect internal light to keep the inside of the refrigerator nice and bright. They're mostly polystyrene. There's some ABS and even some PC-ABS in specific applications. You notice that the amorphous polymers in use in these interiors, these are called feature or appearance parts in the trade. You'll notice that they provide some toughness, some resistance to cracking and damage because you know they're going to be handled. Polystyrene, though, even though it's very clear, is quite easily destroyed. If you were to drop the thing full of vegetables or whatever, it would break very easily. So that's a difficulty that you have to deal with. They also provide a slightly harder surface than the semi-crystalline materials that are common in products like this for the same price and temperature rating because they reduce the amount of damage to the surface that can happen during regular cleaning. They also are desirable because you can use graphic processes and etching in the molds and so forth to hide things that you don't want people to see while still being clear generally. They also work very well with pad printing and screen printing for putting on graphics and instructions. They also work very well for this foil attachment is what I'll call it. A heat transfer is what it's called in the industry, but basically you use a metal foil so you get a shiny metal finish if that's what you're looking for on the interior. To use a semi-crystalline material in a similar application, you would have to prime the surface or you would have to do some kind of surface preparation or even a surface pre-treatment like plasma treatment in order to get the necessary adhesion performance, long-lasting durability that people demand in that application. So knowing what materials are useful for decorating and for making interior parts in consumer products like a refrigerator, that's working knowledge. Just what you expect from us here at Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share if you appreciate the content. Also, you can follow a link in the description to learn more about the Polymer E-Club and how to get involved. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer E-Club Ask the Cook. Thanks for watching.